On the menu for today is go to a sandbath, go to Pilates, and have lunch with my boyfriend. And I've just finished editing a vlog and I need to put that up on YouTube. Yeah. Also, I got my hair done. Gonna go to the Tate and do some work because it's the most beautiful day. Can we talk about the fact it's like nearly 6 p.m. and I'm in a coat and a t-shirt? I'm having a wild Tuesday night in. So wild. Making myself, like finally for myself, the Louise Carmen journal situation. I've got 4. I've got like a nice one for maybe like nice paper one for like drawing, collaging, one that's days of the week and stuff, and then just another plain one and a line one. I really have a bone to pick with Moochie because they do many journals but they don't kind of like match. Like you can't get a dotted or squared line this size. It really grinds my gears. Also, I think this size is so chic and I really wish they did like everything else in this size. Anyway, I mean, is it journal making or is it torture? I didn't know what to go for, so I went for silver and gold at the same time. Currently walking dog. Can we talk about the fact that it's end of Feb and I'm in a jumper at 8 a.m. My son is much better.
You captured car. It looks like New York.
I'm trying to get my child out to a cafe.
Yes, anyway.
I was just going to stay home today, but I changed my mind and I want to go to the sewing shop and get some supplies because, like, I'm going to start a business. You heard it here first. I'm done with this slow life on the minimum wage. No. Enough's enough. I'm getting too old for this. We're going to walk the dog and then bring her back and then go take the train. Gonna go to the sewing shop and get some trimmings, and I want to get some interfacing because I want to test try something. Gonna do some prototyping, I suppose. Well, I suppose if it's good enough it can just be a product, but I have an idea. I'm wearing completely unhinged shit and I'm sure I'm gonna give the sewing shop older ladies a heart attack. This is my dad's. This was thrifted and I've had to fix the inside of the leg, and then they're a bit tight so you can't really see it. It's gonna be chaos.
I didn't have in my
We are now approaching Streatham Common, Norbury, Thornton Heath, Selhurst, East Croydon is aboard the southern. The next station.
Mummy's doing a rubbish job of this.
I will try. Let me do this.
Careful.
Yeah.
It's my favourite place in the world. Sewing shop closed for lunch between 1 and 2, so I had to go get lunch first. Are you tired? There's no winner.
They leave me but we can still get on.
I got this beautiful fabric from the sewing shop today, so I want to make a go out bag.
Don't ever worry about who cares only about it.
It's girls' night. I am so late. Just love Shoreditch. There's so many performative kids. Love it. Made this one better. Fuck my life, I went to the wrong restaurant. Oh, silly me. It's not cricket, it's hoppers. My hangover masterpiece, collard cheese with a pie. Glorious, glorious girls at hangover work. Just casually creating content for the old brand, just around the idea of like a receipt for, you know, a type of one and the experience of like that coffee. So yeah, and then I filmed that obviously for the old TikTok. Just dropping the kid off at nursery. Pajamas, but make it more chic.
What do you want? Because we've started there. You've got day. We get the next drink. Oh, it's like a fast track. Yeah.
Whatever it is, you just get it.
You are the Ryanair of coffee.
Just went to hot yoga, so I am extra sweaty. So weird to see it so quiet.